Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off autoplay next video on next. So first of all, open X application on your device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now let's scroll down a little bit to settings and privacy. And then as you can see, your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to accessibility, display and languages, and now go to data usage. And finally from here you want to find option that's called video autoplay. Let's open it and set never. This way your video autoplay will be disabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.